Hello guys, this is Sanjana Parihar, intern at LEXIS and Company. I'm pursuing BLLB. This is my first year, and in this video we'll talk about delimitation in Jammu and Kashmir. Now this year the delimitation exercise has been started in Jammu and Kashmir. Uh, the completion of delimitation exercise will mark the political progress in this particular union territory that has been under the center's rule since June 2018. Now we'll know what this actually is. Delimitation is the act of fixing the redrawing, the limits and the boundaries of the territory, constituencies in a country or a province having a legislative body as per the election commission. The delimitation exercise is carried out by an independent high-powered panel known as the Delimitation Commission, whose orders have the force of law and cannot be questioned by any court. The exercise has been carried out over the years to redefine the areas of the constituency based on its population size. Aside from the changing the limit of the constituencies, the process may result in change in the number of seats in the state. The exercise also involves reservation the assembly seats for the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes in accordance with the constitution. Now, what's the aim? The key aim is to have equal representation to equal segments of the population in order to ensure a fair division of geographical areas so that all political parties and the candidates contesting elections have a level playing field in the terms of a number of voters. Now, what is the constitutional basis for this delimitation? Under Article 82, the Parliament enacts a delimitation act after every census. Under Article 170, states also get divided into territorial constituency as per delimitation act after every census. Once the act is in force, the union government sets up a delimitation commission. However, the first delimitation exercise was carried out by the president with the help of Election Commission in 1950-51. The Delimitation Commission Act was enacted in 1952. It have been set up for 4 times in 1952, after that in 1963, and then in 1973, and last it was in 2002. Under the Act of 1952 and 1962 and 1972 and 2002, there was no delimitation after the 1981 and 1991 censuses. Delimitation Commission. The Delimitation Commission is appointed by the President of India and works in collaboration with Election Commission of India. Compositions are like retried Supreme Court judges, judge, Chief Election Commissioner, respective state election commissioners. Delimitation in Jammu Kashmir in the past have been slightly different from those in the rest of the country because of the region's special status. The delimitation of Lok Sabha seats was then governed by Indian Constitution in Jammu Kashmir, but the delimitation of assembly seats was governed separately by the Jammu Kashmir Constitution of Jammu Kashmir Representation of People Act in 1957. However, Jammu and Kashmir lost its special status and was divided into 2 union territories, Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh. And after the abrogation of its special status under Article 370 on 5th August 2019, following this, a special delimitation commission was constituted on 6th March 2020 to carve out assembly and parliament seats in the UT. So this was all for today. If there's any question related to this content, do let me know in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Also, this video does not solicit any kind of advertisements or promotions according to the Bar Council of India. It's for educational purposes only, and if you like the videos and you want to have more like this, subscribe LEXCLIQ and like the video if you like the content.